Well, it's arrived. It's here. In case you don't know what I'm talking about, that's what I'm talking about. The Freewrite Traveler has finally arrived. This is just going to be an unboxing, just to kind of get used to it. I'll do a more in-depth review of the actual Traveler once I've had time to play around with it. Comes in a really nice box, well packed for its long journey to the United Kingdom. Looks impressive. Not as heavy as I thought it might be. The perfect writing device for your novel, screenplay, journal, blog, essay, notes. Turn off distractions, focus your thoughts, simply write wherever you go. Fabulous. Now, I understand that from previous reviews, this is quite an easy box to open, so just going to go ahead and break the seals. See where we go from there. And then there's a little button here that you just push. Well, so first of all, you've got to break the seals properly to make that happen. There we go. Got a little button there, so you push through. There we go. Wow, look at that. The Freewrite Traveler. Just pop that out there. Apart from the unit itself, we've got some paperwork and charging cable along with it as well. Very nice. Braided cable. Very smart. Little cable tie as well. And there she is. The very shiny Freewrite. Wow, impressive. No matter how many reviews you see online, it doesn't actually prepare you, I don't think, for actually handling this long-awaited unit. And also the fact that it's very slim, it's not that heavy. You can really see yourself carrying that around without any problem at all. You've got the Astrohaus and Freewrite Traveler on the back there with the model and serial number. I know what they say about the case itself, in that it's so shiny that it does show a lot of fingerprints and dirt and all the rest of it, but it doesn't take away from the actual unit itself. Let's just see what we've got in the welcome pack. Very simple welcome pack, which I appreciate. You've got a user manual and just some information as to welcome to distraction-free writing, and some stickers. Words are hard. I do like that. So, opening the unit up, once again, nothing takes away from the beauty of this unit. Very impressive. The hinged lid is really, really effective. Just the layout. The keyboard. Wow. Very, very nice indeed. Well, it certainly looks impressive, and I don't expect it to be any less impressive in its use. We need to log onto Wi-Fi, set up an account, and just get writing with no distractions.